Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve some DBMS MCQs which are given in InfyTQ 2021. Question number 1. Consider the table student given below. See, here is a table with the student ID, location, ranking as attributes, and here is a query. We need to we need to say what is the output that will be resulted after execution of this query. So here is a select command. We are selecting ranking, length of substring of location and 3. So here we are taking the length of a substring of location from position 3. For every location we are taking, suppose if it is at Delhi, we are counting from position 3 which is L, H, I. So the length will be 3, right? For Mysore, from S we are counting from third position S, O, R, E which is 4, right? So this is the parameter here. Substring location 3 means we are counting from third position to the end till the end of the location. So that is one parameter that we are selecting. And student id is also going to select from which table. We are going to take from student table where ranking greater than 2. If only rank greater than 2, consider that record as a valid. And then length of substring of location comma 3 greater than 4. So consider that only records which are having location substring values greater than 4. Suppose Delhi will not be considered as considered to record because it is only having 3 letters, right? So it is only having 3 letters as a substring. So length is 3, those it will not be considered. So what are the letters that are considered to be for this where class? So rank should be greater than 2, and then what is that? Location substring length should be greater than 4. Okay, so for these 4 conditions we have to take the table, right? So let's take. So Mysore, will it be included in the record? No, because it is having rank 1. So it is less than 2, it will not be. Mumbai, so it is 4. So it is also not considered because the length is only 4. We need greater than 4 length, right? So Chennai can be treated because it is having rank 4 which is greater than 2 and length 5 which is greater than 4. Okay, so we can consider it as S104 can be considered for the records, and Hyderabad which is also be considered because it is having length greater than 4 and rank greater than 2. And next Delhi will not be considered, and Bangalore will be considered because we have a length greater than 4 and rank greater than 5. We have a condition order by 2 and 1, which is we need to order first based on length. So here based on length we need to order in descending order, and then we reorder the arrangement with parameter by rank. Okay, first here the location, what are the lengths here? First we take that S104 having length 5 and S105 having length 7, and next S107 having length 7. So same length. So we need to first sort these by based on the lengths, right? First, so descending order, what will be that? So we can sort S105 first and S107 next, and then S104. So again we need to sort this based on the ranking, right? So what are the ranks for this? S105 having rank 3 and SC107 having rank 5 and S104 having rank 4. So these two values having different ranks and these two values having same lengths, right? 7 7. So we need to sort these in descending order. So we can change this to S107 and S105 because descending order, right? S104. So the last word is S104. He is asking for what will be the value of student ID in the third row when the above query is executed. So the answer is 104. Question number 2. Consider the tables customer and purchase given below. We have two tables, customer, purchase. Customer is having attributes customer ID, customer name, customer type, and purchase is also having some attributes, purchase ID, customer ID, product ID, quantity, amount. Okay, so what is the query? We have two queries, nested queries, right? So if you are given with nested queries, please start with the nested query first and then you can execute the main query. Okay, first you need to execute the nested query, and then suppose if there are more than one nested, like suppose 3 or 4 queries are nested, like okay, then you can start with the innermost nested query first, and then the second innermost and the third innermost, and finally you will execute main query, right? Okay, first here the innermost query is select customer ID from purchase where amount greater than 300. Select the customer IDs who are purchased greater than 300 from purchase table. Here we go for purchase table, and we have to see for purchase table we have customer IDs, right? So who are purchased greater than 300 amount, those amounts, those persons customer IDs should be taken. So here the customer IDs will be C1076 should be treated because 400 his amount is, and C1074 should be treated because he purchased 400. These are the two IDs that we need to take consideration into result after executing this query, because these two people only have purchased more than 300 value, right? So, and next, the main command, the main query, select customer ID and customer name from customer, where customer type is privileged. He is only taking customer type as privileged. How many persons are there who are customer privileged? The numbers, take the numbers, right? 1074 is privileged, and C1056 is privileged, and C1055 is also privileged. What he is taking, and customer ID is also present in this list, right? So he is taking, we have these numbers, and these this is another first query, and we have another condition, customer ID in this table. So whatever the table that we got here, these customer IDs should present in that table, then only we can add to the table, resultant table. So here we only have C1074 as in common, right? So the result will be C1074 customer ID, and we also have customer name, right? So for C1074 the customer name is Felix. The answer will be option B, right? So the answer is option B. This is the actual result. If there are more than two queries, then you first execute innermost query and then second innermost and so on. At final, you will execute main query. That's all for this video. If you like this video, do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.